Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Honda Odyssey hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the floorboard. It's usually marked with a car icon and an open hood. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct click, and the hood will slightly unlatch, popping up just a little bit. This indicates the primary latch has successfully disengaged, preparing for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Odyssey. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, right above the grille area. You'll be looking for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally while driving, adding an extra layer of security for you and your passengers. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your Odyssey model, you might push it to the left or right, or perhaps lift it upwards. While holding this latch, use your other hand to gently lift the hood. With both actions performed correctly, the hood will fully release and swing open. It's a simple two-step process once you know where to find everything. With the hood now open, find the prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or near the engine bay. Unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole or slot, usually marked with an arrow or a small diagram. Make sure the rod is securely seated and the hood feels stable before you begin any work. This prevents the hood from accidentally closing, ensuring your safety while working under the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.